Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Nice big drop in Bitcoin. You see, yesterday I didn't do a video because it didn't do anything, but it drifted sideways. Let me zoom in here. This is why we watch rotation zones. 4-hour chart drifted sideways, could not get a close above the rotation zone, spiking up to the GAN level and the top of the rotation zone, and then rotating down. Dropping through our whole levels. We had our next major level 76.25, spiking below that, not quite getting back to the lows. You can see here the lows from October 23rd, right around this 73.60 area. So that's your next major level of support. Based off of that, we can now, I'm going to really zoom this out to the major levels, so you get an idea of what we're looking at. And then we can go also down to here. We'll do from this swing high to get some other levels. This seems like we have increased volatility, so we're doing some summer levels. See if we have any clusters here. So below, if we rotate back down below 73.47 or 74.37, sorry. We're looking at to tackle that low right around 73.40. Then we have 71.70, 70.69, and then a major area down here, 6,900. That's going to be our next major level we'll be watching for, 6,900. We are getting a divergence, so lower low in price action, higher low in the RSI. I have to see how this burns it off, either drifting sideways or to retracement. So far it's just drifting sideways, but the key retracement levels now are about 77.88, so you can watch 7,800. And then if we rallied more than that, about 8,000. That's where the top of the rotation zone is on the 4-hour chart. Taking a look at that daily chart. Here we go. Key resistance now on the daily is all the way back up at about 82.50 area. So on a strong rally, we'd be watching 82.50, but we just have that minor divergence pattern, and this did have increased volume. We're really going to pay attention, really watch this swing low, especially over the next couple days, to see if we get a close below that. That's the key level we'll be watching. Deeply oversold condition on the daily doesn't mean it has to stop. Remember, overbought or oversold can keep going. You are getting some people who are going to buy against this prior swing low, though. But if we do collapse through that, we will definitely see an acceleration to the downside. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum also plummeting through our levels. Next major level below this is 154.50. Then we'll be watching 148.76. We can update these minor levels here. Not really giving us anything, so I'm just going to take them off and use these other levels we have down here. So far just drifting sideways, but key resistance coming in now about 165. Then if we got through 165, we'd be watching for about 171. Those are the key levels. Deeply oversold also on the 4-hour chart. Let's check out that daily chart for Ethereum. You can see very key area back on the October 23rd lows, right around this 155. So that's the level we'll really be watching, retesting that very key area. So any close below about 154.18, then we'll watch for 148.76, 143.34. Overextended on the daily, also in oversold condition. The daily resistance coming in all the way back at about 176. So unless there's sudden news coming out, we get a strong rally, that's where it is, but that will keep dropping. Not much else to report on Bitcoin and Ethereum, so we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.